In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix 504 gateway timeout error WordPress. A 504 gateway timeout usually means your browser waited for a response from the site's server and didn't get it in time. While this is often a server-side issue, your browser's stored data can sometimes keep retrying a bad connection or serving stale sessions. The quickest clean test is to clear cookies and try again. I'll show you exactly how to do that in Google Chrome, and then we'll restart the computer to make sure everything refreshes fully. Just a quick heads up, deleting cookies will sign you out of websites, so be ready to log back in afterward. Start by opening the Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click the three dots to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. In the Settings page, look to the left and select Privacy and Security. Next, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome stores permissions and data for sites you visit. Scroll down until you find the section for cookies. Choose third-party cookies and then look for the option that says See all site cookies or See all site data and permissions, depending on your Chrome version. Open that and you'll see a list of stored data. Click the option to delete all cookies. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Depending on your setup, this button might read Clear all data or Remove all. They perform the same action by erasing stored cookies and site storage in one go. If you're curious, this does not delete your bookmarks or saved passwords, just the small files websites use to remember your session. Once the cookies have been deleted, restart your computer. Before you do, make sure to save documents or downloads in progress, because a restart will close all apps and windows. A full restart clears lingering background processes and resets your network stack, giving you the cleanest possible environment for the next attempt. When your system comes back up, open Chrome again and navigate to the website that showed the 504 error. If the page loads normally, you've confirmed the issue was tied to local browser data. If you still see the 504, the problem is likely beyond your computer and may be temporary or server-related. Either way, you've completed the essential browser-side reset and can proceed with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick fix gets you back into your WordPress site fast.